Hello students, we have discussed all the methods given in your NCERT book in chapter 2 and the one that is left is case study. So we will take up that today. So let's start. First of all, we must understand who can be a case. Case here can be a person, an event, a problem, group of people or any organization we wish to study. Case study is descriptive research approach to obtain an in-depth analysis of a person, group or a phenomena. Different techniques such as personal interview, observation, psychometric tests, etc. are used to collect important data to have an in-depth understanding of the case. In simple words, we can say that a case study is a research method that is used to investigate an individual, a group of people or a particular phenomena. In case study, every aspect of a subject's life is analyzed in detail so as to understand the causes of behavior. A psychologist who uses case study method always remains hopeful that it will provide critical information and better insight to understand the behavior, or it may lead to new findings that can be helpful for further research. The case can be an individual with a distinguishing characteristics, as the case of Jenny, a girl who was raised in total social isolation with little or no human contact. That was a unique case where team members, including psychologists, they worked to find answers to questions like, could a child reared in utter deprivation and isolation develop language? Or could a nurturing environment make up for a horrifying past? So I recommend you to read the story of child Ginny. In this particular case, it is important for psychologists because morality does not allow psychologists to conduct deprivation experiments with human beings. Such cases like Jenny, they not only teach us about human development but also about the rewards and the risk of conducting experiments with them. Case study is a valuable research tool in the field of clinical psychology and human development. Freud's insight led to the development of psychoanalytical theory, and Piaget developed theory of cognitive development on the basis of his observation of 3 children. Case study method was originally developed in the field of clinical medicine, and it provides a narrative and detailed description of events that take place in person's life, and information is collected from different sources using multiple strategies. Like other methods, case study too has its advantages and disadvantages. Let's first talk about advantages. Case study does an in-depth study of a particular case or an event. That is, a selected unit is studied intensively. It also leads to new learning with the hope that learning that is gained from studying one case can help others also. Also results in fruitful hypotheses. It also helps in understanding past events and their relations. It also gives an insight into phenomena or experience investigating otherwise inaccessible areas, as in the case of Ginny Willy. There are some limitations of case study method also. First one is it is not replicable. It is very consuming. Case situations are seldom comparable and results cannot be generalized. There is also possibility of researcher's bias. That is, his interpretation of reality may differ from other and his own belief, value and thinking may influence finding. That's all for today. Keep learning, keep enjoying. Hope this case study method is clear to you all. Will bring a new topic for you in my next. Thank you all.